Introduce features highlight or overview summary about Bond Manufacturing 52010 Mara 22-inch 33,000 BTU umbrella hole tabletop gas firebowl, color black. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Features highlight or overview summary are include. Elevate your outside dining experience with the addition of this elegant Mara 22-inch table fire bowl. Transform your ordinary umbrella table into a vision of luxury and warmth within minutes. The Mara table fire bowl is an easy and economical way to create a warm and inviting atmosphere for friends and family on your patio. The unique design allows you to connect the fire bowl through the existing umbrella hole on your patio table, while the propane tank safely sets underneath. This ingenious fire pit bowl can be added to any table with a standard umbrella hole, including wicker, wood, glass, and wrought iron. Adding the fire bowl will extend to your evening's enjoyment outside, letting guests mingle a little bit longer, while staying warm and enjoying your artisan coffee and creme brulee dessert a little more. The attractive matte black finish beautifully complements any outdoor setting, as the flame dances across a bed of the included ember-like lava rocks. You and your guests will take pleasure in the powerful 33,000 BTUs of heat during the trivia contest or enjoying their after-dinner aperitifs. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.